Hello, it's Arma Bricks, and I'm not the biggest fan of doing the regular Lego sets reviews, as there are plenty of reviews in the YouTube and other sources. But this time I decided that maybe it is a good idea to spend a few minutes and talk about this set. It is a table football set that was released recently by the Lego Group, and it is quite expensive set. It costs 250 euros here in Europe, and there was a specific discount for it in December. It was 30% off, so it was quite a good deal. Although there were really bad reviews regarding this set specifically. And I do know that the expectations for this idea set were way different, but I've changed my mind when I've built this set. So I was skeptical at first glance. I didn't want it to buy it when it was on the full price, but when it was 30% off, I decided to go with it and give it a try. So it arrived in beginning of January, and I've managed to assemble it, and I want to share my thoughts on this set. So definitely, it is small. It is much smaller than we all expected as fans, because Lego Ideas Submission was much bigger set, much bigger table with more rows for the players, more space, and etc. So here we do have only 10 players that can play, which is, it is really small place to kick a ball. I do understand, but this thing is really sturdy, and it is designed for the play features, not for the display features. So it is not a display set, it's a fully playable set, and these rods, they do move really nice. They are really strong, and the minifigure mounting is also quite strong, so you can be sure that they will not fall out from original places. So for playability as set, for me it is a really good thing. It can be played. I've tried with my kid. Everything looks really good. It is the set that you will not keep as a display piece. You will take it for sure, and you will play it. The building process as such was really satisfying. I thought that it will be a lot of repetition and I will definitely hate it. But it was so relaxing, and I really liked every bag that I've assembled. So it surprised me really a lot. So although it is, as you can see, the simple things, but in instructions you can expect that the building process is divided in sections that you would not get bored, and this is quite awesome. I really like, and everything is so neat. There are basically no open studs. Everything is styled, and you can take this table the way you want on every angle. It is sturdy. It is designed for playing again. So I really like it. I really like the process for the building. I really like the playability things. And the few things that I do not like is the scale. It is small, but it's playable. The other thing that really annoys me is these counters, it is really hard to move them to one or other direction, because it tends to lean at some point, and it is not good. So definitely this could be changed to something different that is not that hard to do. At least some kind of support should be done, just avoid any bending of the axle and, you know, giving it hard to move these sliders. Eventually, I do think that after using a lot of times, they will be probably easier, but at some point you could end up that the axle will break, and that will be a big disappointment. So besides that, the table as such is quite good. Definitely I will play it with my kid, with some guests who will arrive, so for sure it will be the second set that will be used for playing. First one is the old football set that I own, which is much bigger set, and it is quite interesting to play as well. And the second one will be this, and I do like how it ended. So for sure there is negativity on this set, but it is not that bad, trust me. And in addition, you are getting this small stand with extra players, so you get an extra 12 minifigures. And what is great about this is that on the bottom we do have a lot of spare heads and hair pieces to go with. So it means that you can build whatever characters you like. You can change their expressions, you can change the hair, and etc. And what is good, that you can replace the players quite easily, so it's another benefit of the set. And yeah, just admit it, where you would get such big amount of minifigures in the official Lego set? Probably nowhere. So from that perspective, it is a really good addition, and I'm looking at this addition as, let's say, additional cost of probably 50 euros. So value is increased by adding this one. If it would be, you know, only the table football, of course, it probably would not be a good thing even for 30% off to buy. But when it comes with this stand with minifigures, I think it's really nice. So all in all, I think that it is a bit underrated set. Of course, it is too expensive. It should be regular price as 170, 180 euros, not more. And that would be much bigger hit for everyone. So it has playability features. It is really nice to assemble. It is good looking, although it's small, and the counters are just driving me mad. But besides that, I'm happy that I bought it. And if you were thinking at some point that maybe this is the set for you, just wait for the discount and grab it. You will love it. So thank you again for watching, for listening to my thoughts. See you soon in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.